Hey everybody. What is today? Happy Thursday. So I am finishing up a piece of furniture that I actually did in an online class. Then I went out of town for boot camp. And so I realized when I got home, I still need to wax the sides of this vintage cupboard, this antique rustic cupboard. I taught a class when we did farmhouse, rustic farmhouse on it. So we've got gray, but I wondered if I had talked lately about our waxes that we have for DIY paint. So I just thought, hey, let's do this. So I'm gonna start with my Paint Pixie. This is my little C. Actually, it's Lil C. It's, Lil. And Abby's wandering around here too. So I'm going to start with this brush. Good morning, Jen. How are you? Hey, Ashley and Audra, good morning to you ladies. Starting with a little C. This is from Paint Pixie. On this, I used colors. I used Old School, Prom Queen. Let's see. Hey Sailor. I used Queen Bee, and then I threw a bunch of Golden Ticket on it. I didn't waste it. I have a bunch of it. But no, it's very rustic, and so now the only thing I have left to do is to add the dark wax. But I also thought, even though I'm not going to do it, I wanted to make sure you guys knew that we also had a white wax. White wax looks heavenly over the gray. It is so beautiful. Good morning, House 45. I'm so glad that Talicia's here and that you guys are here hanging out. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm going to be on here real quick, like 10 minutes. So I just wanted to wax with you guys, and I mean furniture. Not that my legs couldn't use a little bit, but hey, nor could the top of my lip right now. But I'm noticing that as the sun's shining in that, hey, we could use some attention over here on the top lip. Anyway. So we also have black wax, we have dark brown, we have white, and we have clear. All of those are available from the DIY paint. Plus, good news is I make colors of wax all the time. I know that's funny. Y'all are giving me funny faces and hearts and stuff. Good morning, Rhea. I love it. I love seeing you guys pop on here. So I'm going to go with dark brown. This piece is completely finished on the front, and I've actually already posted it as available. Good morning to Hira, or good evening to you. And I'm going to go ahead and just finish up the sides because, like I said, I went out of town after I taught this course and I did not have time to get it finished. And Brenda's on here too. You guys are both on here. Guys, isn't it crazy how months go by and yet we still have connections here on the internet? Isn't it wild? We've got to meet in person, and as you pop on here and say good morning and hello, there's so many of you beautiful faces that I have actually met. I'm going to start with dark. This piece can be really rustic, but it's a little too light, and I can't really show you the front just yet because there's a table on this side and a table here. But I wanted to just go ahead and get started. 10 minutes and we'll have this baby done. If you're not familiar and you've never used the DIY waxes, guys, they are like butter. I've used many waxes in different lines, and I'm not going to lie, this is truly my favorite. It really does make my job easier, and I would not be lying. Stacy, you are my favorite today. You, young lady, are my favorite. Thank you for saying that. We all have our days where we believe it more than other days, but listen, this truly makes my life easier. You know, you've used those waxes where you're like this, you know, and you're like, oh, that's like chunky, and then you put it on there, and it's like a hard chip of wax. What are you going to do with that? This is like butter. So, and I'm almost done with it, actually. So, usually I have to be really careful not to get too much on here. And I realize I left the door open to the house to show you my painting over my mantle glowing behind me. That's funny. Good morning, Mallory Mitchell. Good morning, Jasmine. I got to spend the week with Mallory last week. She is a hoot and fun, and I believe, yeah, Mallory, I'm going to sit right here and tell on you. So we have a boneyard challenge. And what that means is the campers of DIY, the retailers that have come, they get 5 minutes in the boneyard. Maybe it was just a minute. It was all such a blur. Girlfriend Mallory over here is jumping on. She was climbing on top of other furniture to get what she needed, what she wanted, and what her team. Talk about a little competition. The girl's up for anything right now. Mallory Mitchell, you want someone to compete with? Guys, contact Mallory. She's fun. Right, Mal? Right, Mal? She's one of our DIY retailers who got on board with the boot camp last week. Had a lot of fun with her. She has a shop in Texas that she works her tail off, keeping it stocked and selling. You guys see the difference? This is the dark brown. You watched that video, Susan? It's hilarious. Okay, hang on. This is Abby, and she says hello. So this is the Lil C. It's the short, chubby wax brush from Paint Pixie. So, I have a link if anybody wants to try it, by the way. Mallory, you know what? I know you were just being you, right? You were just being you. But, you know when you're around a group of people and you don't really know everybody, but you still felt comfortable just going for it? Yeah, that's why you made a statement. I'd have done it too. If I come to play, I come to win. So, yeah, that's right. So you see the difference? So I'm going to go back and wipe off any excess. Hey, what is hanging from your nose? What is that hanging from your nose? That is disgusting. It's like a dead bug. Good morning, Miss Anissa. I need you to get this off of Abby's nose. I don't know what she's doing. Yeah, just stay right there. I can't use my towel. Did you just get it in my hair? Oh, geez. Did you just get that dead bug in my hair? Did y'all see that right before your eyes? Wait, where'd it go? I'm almost positive she just shoved that thing off of her nose in my hair. Yeah, she did. She did. Gross. I hardly even have any hair hanging down here, and you just put that dead bug in my hair. I swear, I'm always pulling something from one hole of hers or whatever. Anyway, all right, kids, you go sit down. Maybe go in the house, maybe? That would be fun if you did. All right? Okay, I'm going to finish this up. I told them 10 minutes. Can you sit? Okay, all right. All right. You be good? Was you go? Okay, stay. And don't wipe any boogers or any eye booger, anything on me, okay? Stay. Even better, lay down. Lay down. And she's a faker. She's a faker. And actually, there's a part of me that doesn't actually want to use the wax over the whole thing. There's a part of me that wants to now just take in with the clear. And I don't know. Let's see. Hey, you know what? We've got some people here and they're watching. So if you could just... Sorry. We may have to put her up, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sorry. So I don't know. I'm not sure I actually want to cover the whole thing. So I think I'll go down this side with the wax. And I think I'll just use the clear for the rest of it. Who else has used our dark wax? Anybody? I know Anissa has. You can mix our paint colors really easily, so I know that a lot of people, and Anissa as well, uses colored waxes. Just making your own. I have a video on that too. So I'm just going to go down to the bottom a little bit on the edge down here on the bottom. Can y'all see? Let's tilt it. Best wax in the world. Bam! Okay, hey, could you maybe sit or, oh God, she's sitting right in front of it. All right. How about you go over here? Can you go over here and lay down? Can you go over here? Hey, Abby. Why? I'm sorry. She's usually very well behaved. Come here. Good girl. Can you lay down? Nope. Don't go back in front of the camera. Nope. Right here. Right here. I thought this would be a good idea so she could look out the window. Oh, good girl. That's a good baby. Can you stay and lay down? Okay, I think I've got her. I was going to let you guys stay. Okay, 3 minutes, ladies. 3 minutes. I'm going to do clear on the rest of the area that I did not add the dark. I'm just going to add this dark down here at the bottom. This piece is very, very rustic. I used Old School, but the bottom coat was Prom Queen. Old School, which is our charcoal gray. Then I used a little Queen Bee. I used a little Hey Sailor, and a whole lot of Golden Ticket. And you're thinking, why did you use Golden Ticket if it's rustic? Because I'm putting this over it. And frankly, I just love it. Sounds like somebody's here. Oh, someone is here. Come here, Abby. On that note, I wasn't expecting anyone, so I better let you go. Y'all have an awesome day.